Wants to unlock pro features, insights and growth tools on Instagram? Switching to a professional account is the game changer you need. Whether you are a creator or a business, this quick upgrade gives you analytics, promotions and more. Let's get started. So hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today in this video I'm going to guide you on how to change the normal Instagram account into the professional one. So let's start the video. Open the Instagram app first and you will be on the home page of Instagram. Now tap on your profile icon and you will be on the profile. Now again tap on the three vertical lines that is at the top right corner, and here you will see the several settings like saved or save your activity, messages and stories over here. Just scroll down and scroll down until you see the account types and tools option. Here after you see, tap on it. And now again here you will see the several settings like switch to profile account and add new professional account. Just tap on the first option and now here tap on the next and choose your category like example blogger, artist, business, etc. Then after choosing, tap on the switch to profile account option. So following this you can easily change your normal account into the professional one. So that's it for this video. If this video helped you, then hit the like button and do subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye, see you all in the next video.